Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Croissants Pinoy easy method. Combine 500 g flour, 10 g salt, 40 g sugar, 10 g yeast, 300 ml cold water, and 50 g butter to form a shaggy dough, then chill for 30 minutes. Roll and incorporate a 250 g block of cold butter using 3-letter folds, keeping edges neat and flour light for crisp, flaky layers. Use a light dusting of flour and roll the dough to a 20 by 30 centimeter rectangle, then fold into thirds. Rotate and repeat 3 times with 30-minute chilling intervals. Maintain cold hands and quick movements to prevent butter melting. Trim edges for even shapes. Chill again before cutting. This method yields consistent laminated layers and predictable oven spring for tender buttery croissants. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I even wear them while kneading for extra comfort and grip. Check the description for the link and other deals, then relax and enjoy the process. Now let's get back to the video. Cut the chilled sheet into 10 to 12 triangles. Gently stretch each from the base. Then roll toward the tip to form tight crescents. Proof at 26 to 28 C until they are airy and slightly puffy, but not doubled. Brush with egg wash for shine. Bake at 200 C for 12 to 16 minutes until deep golden brown and crisp. Allow cooling before serving to set the interior layers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.